Ohayo gozaimasu, Roxanne desu. And look what coming in today. The May Japan crate. Woo! Alright, so let's check out what is all in here. This is the pamphlet. And if you want to pause, take a screenshot, there you go. That is everything that comes in it. Oh, there you go. Alright, let's see what's inside. So we got these. They're kind of like a Cheeto from what I read, and with salt and caramel flavored. So that should be good. Oh. I guess I just throw it on the floor. This is one of those DIY ones where you make this candy using a mold that's in here. And they're usually like a gummy type candy. Very tasty. This is new. Have not gotten this before, and it is very squishy. So I don't know if it's like a gummy or some kind of taffy or what. So we'll have to try that one. I'm still on the diet, so I'm definitely not going to eat all of this. I haven't lost much weight the last 2 weeks because I went to a wedding and I caught a cold, not coronavirus, just a regular cold. And I'm still getting over it. And this is like a cocoa flavored corn stick, kind of like an Umaibo, but a different brand. This is our drink, and it's like a melon flavored latte, so that should be interesting. This has 4 candies in it, and one is super spicy, so it's kind of like a Russian roulette kind of game. We have what I call koala yummies, but they are actually koala march, and this one is a strawberry and cream flavor, so that is a new one for here. Doraemon, cute. Might be the soda flavored, I think. I read what it was, but I don't remember now. Oishi. These are 3 different flavored gummies. Got grape, apple, and I forget what the 3rd flavor was. Maybe there's 2 flavors. I'm getting them mixed up. But yep, that should be good. And this is like a soda flavored candy, and there's usually a thing inside of it to win free stuff. But you have to be in Japan to get that free stuff. These are gums, and I think one of them is typically very sour, and it is grape flavored. And then we got these, which is supposed to be really good to eat with like a coffee, stir coffee in it, and eat it like a cream-filled stick. Oishi! And then we got potato chips, just sour cream and onion. I know they got weirder flavors than this. I'm not sure why they keep giving us the regular flavored ones, but okay. And we have this, which is ramune flavored sugar powder. Very tasty. This little guy in his cartoon likes to show his butt all the time. Oh, I forget what these were. It'll be a mystery. And of course, Kit Kat. So we got strawberry cheesecake flavor. Yummy. And these I'm excited about. It's like a little bun with custard in it, and it's made by Bourbon, my favorite. So yes. And we got some of these mints again. Mini Vita. It's a mint. Must have vitamin C in it, as well as being a mint. Alright, so that is everything in the box. Since I'm on a diet, I'm only gonna try a couple of these, so let's see which ones I'm gonna try. Alright, so I am back and I have picked 5 things to try. So we're gonna try the drink, the latte, melon latte. And it's made with real juice. Oh, it tastes very melony and very like juice. Like this is just juice in here. So theoretically, this should be healthy. Only 50 calories. I will split half of it with my husband. Alright, so we'll try this since I just didn't know what it is really. So let's see. I've got to stop saying so. Nice, they are individually wrapped tiny little stars. Oh, I think these were the chocolate flavored ramune, which is a soda drink. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Alright. So different, it's hard. Definitely tastes chocolate. Kind of like a cheap powdery chocolate. I don't taste any like baking chocolate. Like that's what it tastes like. Yeah, not bad. I like it. All right, we're gonna try one of these sticks. Cause I like foamy sticks. It broke in shipping. But yeah, you can see it's kind of like a wafer outside, and you can see like something on the inside there. Tastes like vanilla wafer things. Very good. Oishi. All right. Now this thing, which is grape flavored and squishy, that should be interesting. And I haven't had anything like this before. I don't even remember like seeing it in Daiso or anything, but there is so much stuff, so it'd be easy to just, you know, walk right past. All right, they're in there. Little weird squishy things. Ooh, oh, that's real squishy. Like, I don't know what to compare it to. It's almost like a marshmallow, but not quite a marshmallow. Definitely very grape tasting, which I like grape, so that's good. I like it. It's interesting. It's not like a Peep. It's more solid than that, but it is almost like a marshmallow. All right, save probably what will be the best for last. There's all those little buns in there. This one, it's just a tiny little bun. Yeah. custard. That is good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna need one more. A whole one. Oishii. Psycho. Alright. And one last sip of this. After all that stuff, it doesn't taste as sweet. It's very mellow flavor. Alright, so that was the May 2021 Japan crate. It was really good. The parts that I actually tried, and the other ones look really good too. So, yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And じゃあまたね! Bye bye!